The blind hymn writer. Sweet blind singers over the sea, tuneful and triumphant, how can it be that the notes of gladness that flutters so far, as if they are fell from the evening star, are the notes of one who may never see invisible songs of flowers and trees? And how can she sing in the dark like this? What is her foundation of joy and bliss? And her heart can see, well may she sing so joyfully. And for the King himself, it is a tender mercy, and has shown her the brightness of his face.